Okay, this is my week 20 update, race to 250K. Every single Monday, I invest $1,100. Investing is about buying when you're uncomfortable, when the news is bad, and your portfolio is going down. Most people only buy when it feels safe, but safety does not create wealth. Consistency does. In this video, I'm going to go over my complete portfolio, what I bought with that 1100, my weekly performance, and of course my dividend income. Quick reminder on financial education. Education gives you control, control gives you options, options is what gives you that freedom. Let's get into my portfolio and see where I'm at. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio, we can see the balance is $158,296. So this is looking like it's going to be the fifth week in a row that the portfolio is going up. Let's go over each position, then I'll go over my weekly buys. All right, first position is DGRO. Market value is $27,568, and that's 17.4% of my portfolio. Then we have SCHD. Market value is $62,505, and that is 39.5% of my portfolio. Then we have SCHG. Market value is $17,414, and that is 11% of my account. Next, we have SCHX. Market value is $25,641, and that is 16.2% of my portfolio. Next, I have VXUS, my international position. Market value is $25,182, which is 15.9% of my portfolio. I'm trying to get SCHD to 45% of my portfolio. I'm trying to do that through my weekly buys, but the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ keep going up, so I'm kind of stuck at this 39.5% of my portfolio. I may have to add additional buys to get my percentages where I want them. All right, let's see what I bought for my weekly buys this week. Okay, so for the weekly buys, I bought 17 shares of SCHD, which was $535. Then I bought 3 shares of DGRO, which was $218. Then I bought 9 shares of SCHX, and that was $254. And then SCHG, I bought 2 shares, which was $68. Even with me going heavy into SCHD, I still can't get the percentages to where I want. All right, let's see the portfolio performance now. Okay, now that we're in the performance section, we can see from May 4th to May 7th, excluding net contributions, I gained $372 for the week, or 25 basis points. Let's see how I compared to the other indices. So I'm up 25 basis points. The Russell up 96 basis points. The S&P 500, 1.5%. The NASDAQ, 2.75. The Dow Jones, 20 basis points. So the NASDAQ and the S&P are killing it right now. So you can see I'm lagging behind pretty good right now. But this is my dividend growth portfolio, so that's to be expected. All right, let's get into the dividend income. Okay, now that we're in the dividend income section, we can see my total is $3,644, or $303 per month. Let's go over each position to see what it's paying. First, we have DGRO is paying $553. Then we have SCHD is $2,055. Then we have SCHG is $65. Then we have SCHX is $271. Then we have VXUS $698. That's the total of $3,644. So the goal by the end of 2026 is to have that at least at $6,000. So let's see how that plays out. Okay, that's going to do it for my week 20 update. Stay tuned for my week 21 update. And remember, stay disciplined and consistent.